Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, it is still dark and die for Umakwela because she has not met the other woman. But I was just like, there's something that I just don't get. I don't get why Umakwela was crying, guys. So remember Uma Tele is telling her, Wuti, fine, I will take you to the hospital to go and see your man, girl, your baby. But we need to make sure which we are in and out so that the other wives don't see you because they have chosen not to meet you. In that diary session, Umakwela's like, no, it's fine. I understand which the other wives are, why I have to do things this way. And she says, which when the right time comes, then it will happen. And then he ngembezi. Hayibo, hehe. I was just like, inekhalisayo lapho, girl. Unless this thing of Umbali, Umayeni, and Umakumalo rejecting her really is touching her, you guys. And I don't know, you guys, because I'm just like, just imagine entering a situation where the man or Zengai is throwing you into the deep end and he's telling you, listen, you're gonna have to fend for yourself, see your way out. But I'm saying at least she's got support from Umatsele. Umatsele has been nice to her so far. So I don't get to why would she cry over the fact that she still has to duck and dive, and over the fact that there's some wives that she hasn't met, or some wives that haven't accepted her yet. I'm just like, guys, sometimes siyazqinisa lana kuyahlekwa, we roll our eyes, but some of these things affect us more than we actually think that they would. When you are not in that situation and you're a side chick, vele or you're a girlfriend to a married man, vele ukuthi you're supposed to be hidden. But you get tired of that, and eventually now you're thinking and you're playing out this ukuthi you're going to be known, and it's proving to be difficult, you guys. But I'm just like, Kelly, I really hope she does not have much expectations. Ababonge yena ukuthi uMatsele has accepted her. I don't see the point ukuthi why is she crying over the fact, or what really is making her cry there. I don't know, guys. Maybe help me understand, because I truly I did not even expect those tears, like crying over the fact Wuti, like when the time is right, you will meet the other wives, you're gonna meet them, they say, like, what's going to happen? Like, it's not going to change your life in any sense. So, hey, Kelly, all the best, Makwel, all the best, you guys, because yay. Anyway, let's park it right there. You guys tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.